What's up, you butts? Wondering what this is? Well, listen to my intro rap song. Making the food in the nude. No, please don't be naked. That's weird and illegal. Making the food. Grab some lube. No, why would you need fucking lube? Sorry, guys. Just enjoy this. Okay, yeah, sorry. That was of no help at all. Okay, so today we're going to be tackling Aglio, Olio, pepper, and Chinos. You only really need 4 things: garlic, oil, pasta, and chili. Well, I mean, you need other stuff, but I only know how to do 4 split screens, so whatever. Okay, I'm assuming you know how to boil water, but here's a visual aid. Make sure you season it heavily, okay? It needs to be salty, like your tears when your ex left you.
Fucking loser!
Okay, drop your pasta in. I'm using fettuccine, but you can use spaghetti. I think that's more traditional. Either way, make sure you cook it for a minute to a minute and a half less than the recommended time. That's because you want to cook it al dente. Now, al dente was an old Italian man who, nope, you all have Google. You can fact check this, sorry. Okay, so once your pasta is done, you need about a cup of that water. But please do not do it in this awkward way that I just did. Come on. All right, you might not actually use a whole cup, but you know what they say. A pasta cup in your hand is worth two in your bush. Nice. Okay, sauce time. Your oil goes into a cold pan, all right? And, I mean, look, I can tell you how much exactly you need to put, but what am I, a fucking nerd? No, I'm a cool dude, all right? Okay, drop the garlic like it was at an elevated temperature, just like D-O-double-G said. Now, you can treat the garlic the way you see fit. You can slice, mince, grate, or even crush and leave it whole. The finer the garlic is, the more the flavor, but the higher the chance of it getting burned. Like she burned you when she walked out that door. Okay, so you can go ahead and drop your chili in. I used 1 whole dry chili and some chili flakes as well. You don't want these to go too long either because they'll burn. You just want to see the oil slightly change color. It'll sort of absorb that reddish color from the chilies. So once the garlic and chili have gone for about 2 minutes, but they still haven't taken on color, and you can smell the fragrance French. You can turn the heat way down low and drop in about half a cup of your starchy water because that's going to form the base of your sauce. Okay, you can go ahead and drop all your pasta in there. Okay, now once you get it in there, you need to stir and shake it like it is something that your mother has given to you. Okay, keep stirring and shaking. I think this is something that the Italians call legare, and I call mixing. I am so sorry, Italians. Okay, so you got to keep stirring and tossing until it forms like a glossy sheen over your pasta. You can actually kill the heat at this point. The residual heat is enough to carry it forward. So just keep tossing, stirring, and then eventually get one of these pretentious tongs, or you can get like a carving knife, that works as well, and start twirling your pasta. And this is just purely for your aesthetic. I don't actually have any audio for this part, so Gula pasta. And then all you need to do is grab a comically large plate and, as we say over here at A Slice of Life, eat it up. Thanks for watching, you butts. And as I always say, like, subscribe, and tell everyone because I would like to stop being such a huge disappointment to my family.